Everyone, welcome to my channel Often Programmer. Let's subscribe the channel. It's just 10 subscribers till now. It's been 2 days I have opened my channel. Okay, so our channel goal is to solve problems along with me in JavaScript. Yeah, so if we solve one problem in a day, we at least solve 7 problem in 7 days. Yeah, let's solve a easy problem. It's Friday night. Okay, it's the question number is 1832. Check if the sentence is pangram. Okay, now what is pangram? So let's see, they have given some description. So a pangram is a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appears at least once. Okay, understood. So there are 26 alphabet letters, and each of the letter is should be present in the sentence. Okay, that means it called as pangram. All right, given a string sentence containing only lower English letters, this lower English letter make my life very easy because I do not need to use regular expression for upper case. All right, return true if sentence is pangram or false otherwise. Okay, so pretty simple. If I say, if the sentence is I love India, I cannot find all the letters present here. Yeah, I can't see. B is not present. So obviously, I love India is not pangram, not a pangram. All right. Now move on. Move on to coding so that we can prove via JavaScript that if the sentence is pangram or not. Let's define a const variable called alpha, because alphabet is not going to change. Yeah, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and G. All right, now take the length of the sentence. Check how much sentence dot length. So the first condition should be if the sentence is greater than or equal to 26, then we'll perform some action, else will return true, return false, else return false. Yeah, now let's do this. What we'll do, we'll check each letter is present here in the sentence or not. How can we check? We can use two JavaScript magic method, which is index of. We can find the index of each letter here if it's present in sentence, or we can use includes. I feel to go ahead with index of. Find the index. Let's start from 0 index. Say while I less than LE, if now the comparison is going to be on the sentence, because we have to check if all the alphabets are present in the sentence or not. Yeah, index of alpha, start from 0th element. Yeah, greater than -1. If it is always present, say return true. If we find -1 anytime, return false. Cool. Let's see if we are closing all the brackets or not. Else is closed, if is closed, while is closed. All right, cool guys, let's run the code. Yo, hit on the run code. and check if okay, accept it, true. Lead code, the second test case. Yeah, lead code. Yeah, it's not going to be present all 26. It will fail here itself. It's not greater than equal to 26. It come to return false. Yep, we solve very quickly. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and code along with me. Yep, so that together we solve some problems. Yep. Bye, have a good night and happy weekend.